Welcome back again. This is Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. As I was talking to you guys, say about the thing that I see out there in the space, the alien, say that's kidnapping. Psh, man, I'm telling you, it was for real. It was for real. The thing that happened to me. I mean, unbelievable. I will never thought of that because I don't know. Because the thing is, since I was a kid, I always praying. I always praying, and the thing that I always say. This prayer that I always keep on focus on, I always say like, God, anything that you make happen to me, make it happen to me for a reason for me to move forward. Whatever it is. In fact that, say the thing that I've been going through, and everything that happened to me, say it's like I'm working on a puzzle, and I'm getting puzzled to get it, say, I'm keep on building up. I'm keep on building up, say, so I could do the type of work, say, that I need to do. So God, because I say, God, use me. I'm your soldier. Use me. Make me, protect me, guide me, Jesus. Say, guide me, protect me. But you, God, use me. Give me the strength that I need, the courage that I need. But the thing is, but the thing that happened to me way back, say, that was in 1996. Something that happened to me. I went to a Catholic church. But my father was back in the time, say, because I'm from Haiti. Let me tell you how I'm from Haiti. But my father was a voodoo priest. But back in the time, say, he used to give us something like we call it point. To Asian that talk, say, they know what I'm talking about. Point is something that they put in your pocket. They make you as a kid put it in your pocket so nobody else could mess around with your spirit. So they could mess around with your mind, with your spirit. But I put that point in my pocket. I put that thing in my pocket. And I forgot, say, I went to church with it. I went to a Catholic church with it. I left it in my pocket. So when I went there, and I sat, and the priest that was preaching, and all of a sudden, say, I feel the feeling of the priest, like his spirit coming at me. I'm like, what the heck's going on? And all of a sudden, say, when I went home, I went in front of the mirror, say, my mouth open, like this, and the glory, like a glory things, say, coming inside of my mouth. And I'm like, whoa, and all of a sudden I start reacting. I feel strong, I feel so strong, and I start reacting, say, like, whoa, this is this and that, say, I start talking. I went to school, and I even tell the teacher, what, money to me is like water, say, I start to say things, say, that I never said before. I used to be a quiet guy, and all of a sudden, say, I start to be acting up. Then, say, the people around me, my family, say, they say, like, wow, what's going on with Jack? Say, they call the hospital, say, they send me to the hospital. And when I went inside the hospital, when I went in there, say, the people that have disease, say, I felt like, say, those diseases, say, they come inside of my body, say, I'm curing the people. I'm curing them. I went to the hospital, I said, I feel like I'm curing them. And all of a sudden, say, they put me in a little room. That little room got a camera that on top of my head, say, I keep on having, say, I keep on making moves, say, I take my clothes off, I put myself butt naked, say, I'm banging the door, all of a sudden, say, the people, say, I'm making noise to get me out of here, because I feel like everything coming inside my body, say, even, I feel like, say, all kind of stuff going through my body, say, all kind of stuff, even dinosaurs. Say, all kind of things, all those type of spirit things, say, monkey, all kind of things, all kind of animal. When I'm inside that room, I want to get out of here because I'm feeling all those feelings. I'm banging the door like crazy. And they come in there, say, they give me short injection after injection to calm me down. And the thing is, I'm like, what the hell's going on with me? And I'm praying. I say, Lord, watch me, guide me, protect me, give me the strength that I need, courage me, watch me, give me protection that I need. Don't let me go, don't let me die. Don't say I don't know what's going on to me, but stay with me. I'm praying every day. I'm praying every single day. My name is Jack, but my middle name is Daniel. My middle name is Daniel. Like I said, Daniel, that was in the Daniel. My middle name is Daniel, Jack Daniel. But the fact that, say, I feel like, say, all the spirit, all the thing that going on around the world, everything that's going through me. Oh, man. The fact that, say, that was in 1996. And the thing is, in 2006, the same thing coming back. That's the time when I told you that I print my finger. I have the dream. I put my finger. I wake up. I put my finger in the earth and I exploded. Because I don't see that thing. It's like the apocalypse. You know, it's like the end of the world. Everybody, say like fly, say the spirit fly, say going through all different type of thing. I'm like, man, this gotta be it, man. I don't know. If I'm the chosen one, because I pray a lot. But since I know my father used to be, say the kind of guy, say that was to follow. But every time that he was doing that to me, I said, Jesus, I don't know what he's doing to me. I was young, a little kid. But I'm sure it's my father. Whatever that he done to me, I'm sure he's doing it to protect me. Not to try to do something bad to me. So that's the reason why I felt like at that period of time, God was using me. Because I said that every time when I was a young kid, I was praying. I said, whatever that happened to me, God, make it happen to me in a way another for me to move forward. Stay tuned. Keep on watching Jack TV. I got more stuff for you. This is very interesting. I know that.